today's episode, we are flipping this armchair here and we are painting the fabric and redecorating the wood. To start off this project, we are first and foremost removing this ribbon around the chair, giving it a good clean with sugar soap, then some light sanding, and we have everything prepared to start our little journey with this. Painting the fabric is not that difficult, but it has some steps. First thing I am going to do is prepare some paint over here and I'm adding some fabric softener. So my choice of fabric softener is always the white one, because when it's tinted with any other color, the paint will change its color. So we are going to paint with this nice plum color over here. So we have the fabric softener in place, and now we're adding some water to the mix. We are mixing here, and we have the paint ready for the fabric. First step is wetting a bit the fabric so that it softens. See, our first part of the process is practically done. On the fabric, the only thing we did, first we wet it with some water, then we gave it one coat of plum color, which we had mixed with some fabric softener and water, and then we just applied one coat of clear wax. So why do we use wax? The wax helps to let the fabric be smooth, and once dry it feels like it's leathery. So now next step is letting it dry and now what we're going to do is paint the woodwork. And the woodwork, we are going to start with a mid to dark green and And here it is, our Hope chair, Tama in Maltese, where we have done all the process which you have just watched, and mainly just a gentle reminder about the fabric. First we wet the fabric underneath, then we mixed some paint with some fabric softener and some water, gave a coat, then gave one coat of clear wax, then another coat of paint, and finally another coat of clear wax, and it is completely dry and ready to seat on. You'll see that. Well, if you have liked this episode on upcycling this chair, please subscribe to our YouTube channel RescoliByCarlo. Till next time, ta-ta!